Guys, we're gonna do some lamb chops. And don't forget that lamb sauce on the Ninja Foodi XL Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button right down there. Hit the bell next to it so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. I've noticed that a lot of my subscribers aren't getting notifications when my videos go live. Make sure you hit that bell, all right? Hit all alerts, okay? I want you guys to tune in. When I'm making these videos, you need to come and join me. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, share, comment, all that other good stuff you do on YouTube videos. I really appreciate it. So what are we doing here today, guys? We are going to be making some beautiful lamb chops. Guys, I got these are grass-fed, whoop-de-doo lamb chops. I got in I won a raffle for them or some stuff like that, and it turned out cool. I'm not a big fan of lamb, but I put this out to my group on Facebook, and a lot of people wanted to see the lamb chops done on the Ninja Foodi Grill. All right, so we're using the XL version right now, but you could do this on your original Ninja Foodi Grill. These are so thin that we're gonna do grill setting high, sear them off, give them a flip, and they'll be done in like no time. All right, we're gonna go to an internal temp of about 130, 135, kind of like a medium rare. All right. While these are cooking, I'm going to show you how I make a little kind of a chimichurri, but you know, a little garlic, a little olive oil, a little rosemary, a little parsley. Real simple, something just to put over the top, add a little bit of flavor. I know a lot of people love mint with their lamb chops. I don't need mint, so this is what we're going to put on there. All right. First thing I've done already is we've taken these lamb chops out, dried them off, and then we're going to score them. They came in roast style with the bones Frenched, but I want to make lamb chops. So we scored at the top real quick. We're gonna cut them in chops, right? And then salt them. We're gonna do a little dry brine for about a half hour before we start cooking these things. Just a little kosher salt on each side. Let it bring out some of the flavors of the moisture. Just trust me on this one. It's the same thing I do with my steaks, with tri-tips, all that stuff. I always do a salt dry brine on them. So you make sure you give this one a try too. So there's nothing else to do but to get to it. Let's get to my Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. All right, y'all, let's get this turned on. Like I said, we're gonna do grill temperature high. 10 minutes is good enough. We'll hit start. Get this preheated. Once it's preheated, we'll spray down the grates and the chops down with a little canola oil, and then we'll get them seared off quick as can be. And then we'll start making that chimichurri sauce. All right, while that's preheating, we're gonna make our little herb chimichurri sauce, for lack of a better word. So we got some fresh parsley straight from the garden outside. And we're just gonna give it a rough chop. All right. Doesn't have to be perfect. We got some chopped parsley over here. We got some parsley over here we're gonna chop. So we'll just chop it into the rosemary. One more time through. Let's get it in the bowl. All right, next thing we got about 4 cloves of garlic. Smash them all up. Peel the paper. And again, we're gonna mince up this garlic. And then once we get it minced down like this, I'm gonna add a big pinch of kosher salt to them and just kind of scrape it in. And you're gonna make a little garlic paste with it. Okay, get that in. And by adding the salt to this, to the garlic, you don't have to add any more salt to the mix. All right, we're almost done with our sauce over here. Next thing we're gonna add is some cracked black pepper. I like a lot of pepper, so I'm gonna put a lot of pepper in there, but you guys do what you need to do. This stuff right here, Olive Gourmet, it's extra virgin olive oil. It's from a place in Peoria, Arizona. They sent this out to me. I actually work with one of the owner's family, and they offered to send this out to me to try on my channel. I'll put a link down below. They have a bunch of different olive oils, flavored and just regular, and they also have balsamic vinegars in there. You'll see me use it on the channel eventually. All right, so the next thing, we're just gonna add about 2 tablespoons in here, maybe 3. Yeah, it's about 3. I'll put measurements down below. All right, I'm just gonna mix all this up. Let it sit. It'll come together real nice as the lamb chops are cooking. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, Foodi Grill is almost preheated. Come on back when we're ready to eat these lamb chops on. All right, we're ready to add the food, so I'm gonna spray down these chops with a little bit of canola oil. All right, you don't have to do this. I am just doing it. So then we're gonna spray the grill. Okay, let's get these bad boys on. Wait for the sizzle. Yeah, that's nice. Like I said, these are gonna go super fast. Okay. Oh, that smells good. Right. Last one up here. Okay. Shut it down. We'll check on it after like 2 or 3 minutes. We'll give it a flip. It'll be good to go. Okay. About 3.5 minutes in. Let's give these a flip. Smelling good. Looking good. All right, another couple minutes. All right, another couple minutes in. Let's take the temps on these. All right, yeah, we're good. 136. All right, cool. These are ready to come off. Looks pretty good, smells good. All right, let's get them off, get them plated up. Okay, we got these plated up. And let's get our little garlic herb chimichurri sauce on. I don't know if this has an actual term. It's not necessarily a chimichurri because there's no acidity in it, but close enough. Looks pretty dang good to me. All right, guys, we are all done. Got it plated up, got the thumbnail shot. These are juicy as can be. I'm telling you, these turned out awesome. Let me try a bite of one of these bad boys, huh? What do you say? All right, see, we got it there. Wow. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good stuff right there. Guys, give this a try. No time at all. It was like 3 minutes aside. The salt brining, or the dry brining as it were, really do that. It helps enhance the flavor. It kind of takes a little of that gaminess out of there. You know, so If someone's told you they don't like lamb because it's gamey, try the salt brine on there for at least an hour before you cook it. I'm telling you, it makes all the difference in the world. All right. Well, guys, that's it for this one. If you want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill XL or original version, links down below to my affiliates for Ninja Kitchen. The cutting boards, the knives you see, links down below with a couple coupon codes. Save you a little extra money, helps out the channel. That new olive oil that I was introducing you guys to, a link for that website will be down below too. Not an affiliate, you know, I'm just giving them some props. All right. If you want to become a show producer, click this link right here. It'll take you to my Patreon account. Sign up for that. Help out the channel. Get your name at the end of the credits in lamb infamy. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.